In previous video, I explained how to draw a graph and easier examples. And now we are going to solve word problem based on two variables. So the cost of ball pen is 5 less than half the cost of fountain pen. Write equation and draw graph. Okay. So let cost of fountain pen be X and cost of ball pen Y. Okay. So cost of ball pen is 5 less than half the cost of fountain pen. So Y equals to X upon 2 minus 5. Okay. So equation will be X upon 2 equals to Y plus 5 means X equals to 2Y plus 10. So we got equation X minus 2Y equals to 10. It's our equation. Okay. Now we will substitute the values. So X equals to 4. X equals to 4. Now I am not solving. I am directly writing because I hope you understood how to find value. Substitute. So if X equals to 4, Y equals to 3, minus 3. Okay. And X equals to 6. So Y equals to minus 2. Okay. Now we will draw graph and put this value in graph. Okay. So our coordinates are 4 minus 3 and 6 minus 2. Okay. So 4 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 3. Okay. We got point A. So 4 minus 3. Next coordinates are 6 and minus 2. So 6 and minus 2. Okay. So this is our B point. That is 6 minus 2. And now we will draw a line. Okay. So this and this. So it is our graph. Now next example is a 3-wheeler scooter charges ₹15 for first kilometer and ₹8 each for every subsequent kilometer. Okay. So write a equation with two variables from above information. Okay. So solution is let total distance is X kilometer and amount paid amount is Y. Okay. So our equation will be total amount he is paying Y. For first kilometer it is ₹15 and for subsequent distance it is ₹8. So 8 X minus 1. See how does this come? For total distance is X First, for 1 kilometer he is charging rupees 15, and for the distances it will be x minus 1. So y equals to 15 plus 8x minus 8. So our equation will be y equals to 7 plus 8x. Means 8x minus y minus 8x plus 7 equals to 0. It is our answer, and draw it in graph. Now next example is a lending library has a fixed charge for first 3 days and additional charge for each day thereafter. Arushi paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days. So write linear equation with two variable with this information. Okay. So fixed charge be, let fixed charge be x, and per day charges be y. Okay, total amount she is paying 27. Okay, for first day, that is fixed charge is x rupees, and fixed charge for 3 days is x. So how many days are left in a week? 4. So 4 into y. So it is our linear equation. So x plus 4y minus 27 equals to 0. Now you draw it in graph. Now next example is the sum of 2-digit number and number obtained by reversing the order of its digit is 121. If units and tens place of number are x and y, write linear equation with two variable and draw graph. Okay, so unit digit is x. Let unit digit be x and tens digit be y. So our number will be, number is 10y plus x. Number will be means original number. Okay. Now in question, reverse the digit. So reverse number is, reverse number is 10x plus y. Means ones place will become tens place and tens place will become ones place. Now sum of these two number is 121. Means 10y plus x plus 10x plus y equals to 121. Means 11x plus 11y equals to 121. So we will take 11 as common. X plus y equals to 121. So x plus y equals to 121 divided by 11, that is 11. It is our linear equation. Now you draw it in graph.